All right, everybody. Let's get this up and going here. Let's wait on the live video. And just see here. More issues with this live. And using this Chrome. Okay. Okay, let's see how this goes here. All right. Well, welcome everybody. Um, this video is for the purpose of posting on our Facebook business page, 24businessfunding.com. My name is Cameron Burrell, and I am an independent business funding agent with a company called DAC, David Allen Capital. And David Allen Capital is a funding platform source for small businesses where if you need funding from anywhere from pretty much $5 to $2 million, or 5,000 to $2 million, this is the place to do that. The lenders that are associated or chosen on this platform, okay, are non-bank lenders, okay, and a lot of products are offered in different segments, different industries, but the main goal of this video is to introduce this page into Facebook groups and put a voice behind it. Okay. As we all know, our Facebook or business pages are tied to our personal Facebook accounts. And so, again, my name is Cameron Burrell, and I'll just, be transparent. The post will come under my name, which is Cameron Captain B. Burrell, but they'll have a link, and the title will show 24businessfunding.com. And so I created this page to basically have a visual and to post content in regards to David Allen Capital and the products that are advantageous to small businesses, regardless of what type of business you're involved in. Naturally, there are some restrictions though, but just want to put a voice behind it. And so, what we are looking at currently right now is one of the newest products that David Allen Capital has created, and it is called Bank Breezy. Okay, I think that name is an independent company on their own, but they have joined forces, and this is one of the new funding products from David Allen Capital. Uh, Fairly new to the market still. I think it's been going on for about 5 or 6 months as of this video. It's December. I think it came out back in May. Okay, so it's been running for about 6 months. Seeing, and so what Bank Breezy is basically is uh, is pretty much a um, an opportunity for a small business owner, okay, to get up to $25,000 same day funding. All right. You can apply online. You can apply on your mobile device, your tablet, what have you. Okay. You will get an approval based off of your preliminary entry. Okay. So you could get online right now and, be away from your office and what have you, and just based off of what your revenues are uh, when you're filling out the application, okay, you will get an approval for X dollars. Okay, so for example, you do all that, and this is prior to submitting, the documents and bank statements, that you would need for an official and final underwriting decision to be made. But the preliminary up front, you put in your information, and based off that, you may get approved for $20,000, let's say. Okay. Well, once you get that, the process kicks in within a short period of time. You would receive an email. You receive a phone call from um, your new basically account manager. Okay, I am the agent that brings this information to you. Okay, however, uh, however, um, you know, a personal account manager would stay with you, would be assigned to you in your account going forward. And so let's say you get an online approval of 20,000 right there on the spot. Well, when you turn in your documents, okay, you may go to 25, you may go down to 15, you may go to 10. All right. The concept is based off of what we call alternative funding, called revenue based funding. Your credit is not the primary factor, all right, in the decision making process. It is based off of what you are doing on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. And so, as we're looking at the website here, this is pretty much one of the our as an agent replicated websites that we use, that is designed for us to promote the service. Okay, and as you can see there, there's my name up top and my email and phone number. Okay, and then Bank Breezy. Okay, get up to 25,000. All right. Right now, as of since I've joined the business, okay, the minimum criteria for that amount of cash, okay, to be funded to your business or to your checking account upon everything going through, or even you accepting, you may decline the offer as well. You don't have to take the money, okay. But as you can see, it's 5,000 monthly sale volume, monthly revenue, okay, and that's for the past 90 days consecutively, okay. Uh, you got to have a business checking account. Okay. And when I say business checking account, I mean a EIN generated number from the IRS. You take those documents to open up an official business checking account with your financial institution, and they ask you for the EIN, and that business checking account is associated with that EIN. That's my business checking account, not a personal account of Cameron Burrell, and I'm using that account to deposit my money in. No, we mean an actual business checking account that was created based off of your company name and a EIN number generated from the IRS. Okay, 6 months in business, and your credit score right now as low as 450. So again, that lets you know that your personal credit score is not a factor. It's not the final determining factor in trying to get funding. Okay, and so uh, this is just a replicated site. Pretty much, how does it work? Qualification requirements: 5,000 monthly bank revenue. We already went over that. Business checking account, 6 months, 450 credit score, all industries included. Okay. Now this is for up to 25,000. Okay. Uh, Very simple, breezy online process. You view and accept the offer. You can decline. Once you link your online banking, all right, I want to dive off into that. I have been a recipient of something similar to this a few years ago, a couple of years ago, actually 2 years ago. All right. I used a company, or I found a company called On Deck. On Deck is one of the lenders that will be offering this uh, funding, but it is a multitude of different lenders, all right, that will come to the table to access you the funds. So it's pretty much like going to what is that? The websites where you can get your airline tickets and get your car rental, your hotel, all in one. Okay, I can't even call a name right now. I don't use them that often though, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, once you link your bank account. Okay, that's when the true, decision and the amount of money that you will receive will actually come to fruition. So if you state that you're doing 15,000 a month, and then when you link your bank account, okay, and it's determined you're only doing 7,000 a month for the past 3 years, well, that offer may drop down, or it may increase. Okay. Don't be discouraged. Okay. You're getting a same day approval. And in most cases, depending on the time frame, if you're able to get everything in before 12 o'clock, um, okay, 12 o'clock your time, okay, you possibly will get funded that same day. Okay. Those funds will come to your bank, your business checking account that same day. Okay. So that's just some of the power with this new product called Bank Breezy, which is they've partnered with David Allen Capital. This is one of their new products to get that funding, to get that instant approval quickly, as opposed to waiting hours and days like you would with the bank and jumping through all these hoops. Okay. Continuing on, simple and fair terms, no hard credit inquiries, transparent terms, no collateral required, and industry leading early pay discounts. Meaning, if you're able to pay, because basically what's going to happen is they're going to start deducting your payments, which you will already know ahead of time. Okay. Once upon your approval, upon your acceptance and approval, they're going to start deducting those payments back out of your account at a certain period of time each day. Okay. So if just like in a business finance loan, okay, the earlier you can pay it off and quicker that you can pay it off, that increases your chances of receiving more funds in the future. Okay. Uh, and what have you. Again, and there we go on the next column there. Get more money. If your payment history earns you more. So if you're paying, there's no issues with them deducting the money out of your account to start paying back the funds. Okay, and if you can get it, to them even faster, naturally, they're going to reward you with that, because you may need another, $10 or $20,000 within another few months. Okay, so your performance, your payment performance, is going to help determine whether or not you can get that funding, and get more funding faster. Okay, and basically that's it. Okay, Bank Breezy, real awesome service there. I've taken a look at it. I can't, apply through something like this because of my status, though. But maybe, my wife, she's in business with me. If we needed to, she could come through and do something like this. But up to 25,000. Now, what I want to do is talk about David Allen Capital. David Allen Capital is the umbrella of all of this. So Bank Breezy is one of the newer products that they've brought to the market. Okay. And so, excuse me. And so that if you need more, if you're in a business that, hey, 25,000 is, just a tip of the iceberg. I've been in the trucking business. I've been in farming operations. 25,000 will go a long way. But if you're operating machinery, okay, especially that requires fuel, okay, on a daily, weekly basis to move a semi truck or a box truck or a bulldozer or you know, some type of machinery, and it requires fuel, especially with the inflation. 25,000, is just enough for the fuel bill, let alone operating expenses for payroll and things like that. If you need more than 25, okay, and you've been in business 4 months, 500 credit score, still business checking, you can show $25,000 in monthly bank revenue. Then we'll jump over to David Allen Capital, okay, when your bank or the SBA can't help. Now you're looking at getting funded, 25, 26,000 up to 2 million, okay, for the bigger operations, okay. And again, this is one of the replicated websites that I'm a part of or have in my arsenal. Basically, uh, this is where you can get that larger capital. Uh, Under David Allen Capital, they also have some other financing programs, but we're going to start with the business capital first, okay? Because I promote both sides. I promote the bank Breezy, and we promote David Allen Capital as well. So, part of the guidelines for funding and qualification, you may be, or excuse me, or just the offer. You can receive a decision within 1 day, capital up to 2 million as soon as 1 to 2 business days. Okay, focus on small business. Got some of the best providers. Okay, on the platform, working with David Allen Capital. Okay, and you use the funds for what you need it for. Okay, 4 months in business, United States, credit score of at least 500, 20,000 monthly revenue. Okay, 20,000 monthly revenue, and over 700 different industries served. Okay, and we also get into you will know your payment going into the acceptance and approval of the funds. Okay, nothing will be left to chance. You will know up front. You ask for 100 grand, you see it, you decide you don't want to do it. There it is. Okay, you ask for 250, you get it, you decide to move forward. Before you sign that paperwork, okay, and before those funds are deposited, in which you will still be assigned a personal account manager. Okay, somebody will be working directly with you, okay, uh, from David Allen Capital, all right, to see that action uh, to the end, okay. So you won't just be out there left alone, okay. You will know your cost, okay, up front prior to you signing off, all right, with the funding process. Okay, so won't be out there in the dark. So uh, at any rate, that's pretty much it. Again, here's some, you see the website, uh, pretty much, self-explanatory. Again, just some of the example terms if you're able to, pay back early and what have you, and what you're looking at. But again, your personal account manager, okay, will go over all that with you prior to you accepting the offer. And again, like I said, if you are made an offer and you decline, no harm, no foul. Okay, so it's just that simple. Though, but just wanted to introduce one myself, 24businessfunding.com, the business page. And because, like I said, when I make the post will be coming under that name. Okay. Even though my name will be at the top at the post. All right. So, real live human. Okay. We are an affiliated with this company providing small business capital funding. I am a serial entrepreneur. I've run, trucking business. I've been in family farming operations business, farming soybeans. Okay, that is an similar to almost construction work. Okay, I understand the need to have operating funds available when you need it. Okay, so whatever your business is, okay, and you're generating that monthly revenue, doesn't matter if you're doing a hair salon, nails, car wash detail, lawn service, landscape, pressure washing, roofing, whatever your business is, you need funds to keep going. You may have gotten a contract. The contract will not pay, especially in construction, until certain things are completed and met and checked off. You may have to go, all right, before they disperse, part of those funds. Okay, I'm used to be in the construction management world, civil engineering. I'm aware of how that works too. You get my point. Even if you get a contract with the government, okay, as a small business owner, they may not pay you, every week on time. You still got to operate. So, this could be an option for you, all right, in your business. And just to go back over on David, there's Bank Breezy again. Okay. Uh, if you are in, you need to, your client, your customers need financing. Okay. Here's an opportunity for you to take a look at that through David Allen Capital as well. All right. Offering some financing options, okay, to you. So for when those clients come up and they really don't have it, but they apply, okay, and you can offer them the opportunity to fund your services, okay, and make pretty well on that as well. That opportunity is here too, under customer financing, okay. A couple of the industries there you can see, all right, all self-explanatory. And then on your credit cards, all right, processing fees, okay. I know in the past a lot of businesses don't like to use Discover. I mean, Discover and more, even more. What is it? American Express, because of the fees that they have to incur just to run the card. Okay, so that's an option too as well. But overall, just wanted to again uh, go over that and just introduce myself. So when if people come back to the page, they can see this video and say, "Hey, that's a real person. It's just not somebody posting and then just walking away." So, all right, I certainly appreciate you taking the time to listen today, and we will be checking this out for new content weekly, bi-weekly. Okay. And you guys have a great day.